let's do a couple questions here. As we go through this, somebody had said OTC means you don't have to bid for the properties. You just buy them. Yeah, absolutely, Edgar. So what I love about tax lien and deed investing is the fact that it's not very well understood. And it's going to remain that way because there's no third party, what do you call it, massive companies that kind of come in and build $1 billion industry off of tax liens and deeds. And that really makes it a little bit, what's the word, elusive. You know, people have heard of tax lien investing, but they don't really know what it is. And the reason they don't know is because there's 3,300 counties. Every single county has its own set of rules, which makes how they operate their auctions a little bit differently. So the best way to think about this business is we've all played Monopoly back in the day. Perhaps there's been some family members having temper tantrums, throwing the board, arguing over the rules. Monopoly can be a good bonding experience, or my grandparents used to often have arguments and we'd have to pause the game until the morning, until tempers cooled down. But that's where I think I might have learned my real estate itch, was Monopoly with the grandparents. However, that game we've all played. Think of it this way. Tax liens and deeds are, you basically have two sets of Monopoly boards. You have the tax lien board and then you have the tax deed board, okay? And the rules for each game vary. So if you decide, hey, we're going to grab the tax lien game out of the closet, that means you're playing the interest rate game. So half of the states are tax liens, which means you don't buy the property. You basically lend the government that year's tax revenue on behalf of the homeowner. So you don't give the money to the homeowner, you give the money to the government, and then the government uses that, for their fire trucks, their school buses and all that sort of stuff. But the government relies on tax revenue, right? They need that to cover those services, which is great. And from there, in the tax lien state, they don't auction off the property. The homeowner goes 1 year, and during that year, the government says, hey, pay your taxes. And if they don't pay the taxes, an investor like you can come in and pay that year's tax lien. And when the homeowner pays late, they have to pay an interest rate or a penalty of 8%, 20%, sometimes as high as 36% interest. So the homeowner pays the county sends you a check. And in many ways, it's pretty cool because your tax dollars are at work because the county is sending the notices and doing all that sort of stuff. So it's like a built-in personal assistant with tax liens, which is very cool.